What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video I will show you how you can see worldwide trends on Twitter. So let's start this video by launching the Twitter app. When the app is open, you will see stars icon on top right corner. Now tap on that. Then tap on view content preferences. Now tap on explore settings. And at the top of the screen you will see show content in this location is enabled by default. Now tap on the toggle to disable this option. Now go back to the home screen. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. And here you will see trends. Now tap on show more. And here you will see some top trends from all around the world. And that's how you can see worldwide trends on Twitter. So if you found this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.